This presentation is an introduction to safe pilot transfer operations. Safe embarkation and disembarkation of pilots are critical moments in maritime operations, where the use of pilot ladder ensures the safe transfer of personnel between ship and pilot boats. According to maritime safety reports, pilot ladder accidents contribute to a significant proportion of maritime incidents, with incidents ranging from ladder failure to slips and falls resulting in injuries or even fatalities. This presentation aims to provide a comprehensive overview of regulatory requirements, best practices, and practical measures for ensuring pilot ladder safety and safe pilot transfer operations. IMO SOLAS Chapter 5, Regulation 23 sets out specific requirements for construction, maintenance, and use of pilot ladders to ensure safe access for pilots. In addition to international regulations, individual flag states and port authorities may impose additional requirements or guidelines to enhance pilot ladder safety within their jurisdictions. Ship owners, masters, and other stakeholders have a legal obligation to ensure compliance with relevant regulatory requirements and to provide a safe working environment for all personnel involved in pilotage operation. Pilot ladders typically consist of wooden or synthetic steps connected by spreaders and supported by side ropes, with securing arrangements to attach the ladder securely to the ship structure. Steps provide a stable foothold for pilot and crew during embarkation and disembarkation, while spreaders prevent the ladder from twisting or collapsing under load. Using pilot ladders that comply with recognized construction standards, such as those certified in ISO, is essential to ensure strength, durability, and reliability in maritime operations. ISO outlines specific requirements for design, construction, and testing of pilot ladders, including specifications for materials, dimensions, and performance characteristics. Pilot ladders are typically constructed from materials such as hardwood or synthetic fibers, each chosen for its strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. Classification societies and recognized organizations conduct inspection and issue certification to verify compliance with design and construction standards. Before each use, pilot ladder should undergo a thorough inspection to identify any defects, damage, or wear that may compromise their safety or usability. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the continued integrity and reliability of pilot ladders. Examples of common defects or issues that may be identified during inspection include cracked or broken steps, corroded spreaders or side ropes, loose or missing securing arrangements, and signs of wear or fatigue in load-bearing components. Unauthorized repairs or modification to pilot ladders can compromise their structural integrity and pose serious safety risks during pilot transfer operation. Proper rigging, securing, and climbing techniques are essential for safe embarkation and disembarkation of pilots using pilot ladders. Pilots and crew members should maintain 3 points of contact at all times when ascending or descending the ladder, using handholds or safety harness to prevent falls. Crew members should be vigilant for potential hazards such as swinging or instability of the ladder due to ship's motion and take appropriate measures to mitigate risks. Adverse weather conditions such as rough seas, high winds, or swells can pose significant challenges to pilot ladder operation, increasing the risk of accidents or injuries. The decision to proceed with pilotage in adverse weather conditions should be based on a careful assessment of the risks involved, considering factors such as ship's maneuverability, the pilot's experience, and the availability of alternative means of pilot transport. Clear communication between the ship's master, pilot, and shore authorities is essential for coordinating pilot transfers and assessing weather conditions. Crew members responsible for pilot ladder operation should receive comprehensive training on proper handling, rigging, and securing of pilot ladders, as well as emergency procedures and safety protocols. Competency assessment should be conducted to verify that personnel involved in pilot ladder operations possess the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience to perform the duties safely and efficiently. Continuous training and professional development are essential for keeping skills and knowledge up to date and ensuring compliance with evolving regulations and best practices. Identifying potential hazards associated with pilot transfer operation is essential for assessing risks and implementing appropriate control measures to prevent accidents or incidents. Conducting risk assessments helps to evaluate the likelihood and severity of potential hazards, taking into account factors such as frequency of exposure, the consequences of failure, and the effectiveness of existing control measures. Establishing emergency procedures and contingency plan is essential for responding effectively to accidents, incidents, or unexpected events during pilot transfer operation. Effective communication between the ship's crew, pilot, and pilot boat operators is essential for ensuring safe and efficient pilot transfer. Standardized procedures for pilot transfer help to ensure consistency and reliability in operations, reducing the risk of miscommunication or confusion. Reliable communication channels such as VHF radio, mobile phones, or hand signals should be used to facilitate real-time communication between the ship, pilot boat, and shore authorities. Reviewing real-life case studies or incidents involving pilot ladder accidents provide valuable insights into the cause, consequences, and lessons learned from past experience. Conducting a root cause analysis helps to identify the underlying factors contributing to pilot ladder accidents, such as equipment failure, human error, environmental conditions, or organizational shortcomings. Implementing preventive measures based on lessons learned from case studies help to mitigate risks and enhance safety in pilotage operation. Best practices for pilot ladder safety are based on regulatory requirements, industry standards, and lessons learned from experience. Practical steps for enhancing pilot ladder safety include regular training, competency assessment of crew members, thorough inspection and maintenance of pilot ladder equipment, and effective communication and coordination between stakeholders involved in pilotage operation. Technological advancements in pilot ladder safety have led to development of innovative solutions aimed at improving stability, reliability, and usability in pilotage operation. Innovative equipments and tools for pilot ladder safety are designed to address common challenges and mitigate risks associated with pilot transports. The adoption of new technologies and innovations in pilot ladder safety can lead to significant benefits for maritime operators, including reduced risk of accidents and injuries, increased operational efficiency, and improved compliance with regulatory requirements. Establishing feedback mechanism allows for the collection of valuable insights, observations, and suggestions from personnel involved in pilotage operations. Incorporating lessons learned from incidents, near misses, or feedbacks into safety management system help to drive continuous improvement and enhance the safety culture. Collaboration among maritime stakeholders, including ship owners, operators, pilots, classification societies, regulatory authorities, and industry associations, is essential for promoting best practices and driving positive change in pilot ladder safety. In conclusion, pilot ladder safety is of paramount importance in maritime operations, ensuring the safe and efficient transfer of pilots between ship and pilot board. Let us commit to fostering a culture of safety collaboration and continuous improvement in maritime operation, ensuring the safe and efficient conduct of pilotage now and in future.